Welcome to Healthcare Plus. Hello viewers, listen to me today. I'll share you best salad recipes. The best roasted carrot and avocado salad. This recipe makes your own homemade roasted carrot. An avocado salad that's absolutely loaded with flavor, carrots and avocado, the perfect salad match. Each other perfectly in this salad. These aren't just any roasted carrots though, they're tossed in a deliciously spicy and potent mix of cumin, red pepper flakes, garlic, salt, and olive oil. Ingredients: 1 pound carrots peeled and cut into 1/2 inch pieces. 2 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 3 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes. 4 1/2 teaspoon salt. 5 1/2 tablespoons olive oil. Directions: 1. Preheat oven to 400 F. 2. Peel the carrots and cut them into 1/2 inch pieces. 3. In a bowl mix the ground cumin, red pepper flakes, garlic. 4. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 4. Add the carrots and toss to combine. 5. Spread the carrots into a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and roast for 25 minutes or until fork tender. Remove from the oven and let cool slightly. 6. In a large bowl, place the avocado, arugula or salad greens and warm carrots. 7. Drizzle with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and lime juice and toss to coat. Season to taste with salt and black pepper. 8. Divide the salad between serving plates and serve. If you want to paleo hack cook, link in this video descriptions. If you want more about paleo diet plan, please subscribe our channel.